Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered if the dream of making $10,000 a month is actually realistic for a regular person? For a long time, reaching that 10K milestone required years of a specialized training, a massive team, or just a plain luck. But things have changed, and we are living in an era of AI agents. If you are not familiar with the term, you can think of an agent term. It's as AI that doesn't just talk; it does things. It writes code, researches data, and manages tasks. And while my AI agent will set up an environment for me and write the application, today I'm going to show you 4 practical pieces to reach that 10K monthly goal using AI. We will talk about careers, freelancing, education, and building your own products. Best of all, you don't need to be a genius coder to make this work, you just need to know how to talk to the machines. So let's start with the plain, simple path, the modern developer career. The first and the most stable path is a career in tech. I know what you're thinking, but I don't know how to code. Here is the secret. In 2026, being a developer is less about memorizing syntax or more about understanding processes. If you have a basic understanding of how the stacks works, meaning how a database talks to the website, AI agents can do the heavy lifting for you. It will write the code, implement the requirements, and when you use agents like Cursor or Claude Code, you can work in almost any programming language. If your company needs a tool in Python, but you only know a bit of a JavaScript, the AI bridges the gap. It writes the functions, finds the bugs, and explains the logic to you. To hit that 10K mark, you don't even need to be a senior architect at Google. A senior and solid and also a middle-level developer role in the US or Europe often pays this much. Your job becomes the architect, and you tell the AI what the system should do. You review the code, the requirements, you validating the code, and you make sure it fits the company needs. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and if you understand the logic of software, AI will give you the power of a full team. That's a first one option, and now we will check my agent. It's still working, and since it continues working, we proceed with the next option. It's a custom software on demand. If you prefer freedom over a 9 to 5, and let's talk about the second path. It's a custom development per project or by contract type. Right now, this is perhaps the easiest way to scale your income. Small businesses everywhere are desperate for automation, and they need custom CRM systems, specialized bots, or just a simple apps to manage their inventory. In past, a project like this might take a freelancer 2 months or so, or even bigger term to code by hand. And what is now with AI agents, you can finish it just in a week. I finished my application, the MVP scenario, in just 1 day. So it's really easy for now with the implementation phase, and this means you can take on multiple clients a month instead of one, and if you charge let's say 2,000 or 3,000 per project or even more, which is very reasonable for custom business software, you're hit a $10,000 per month goal easily. The skill here isn't the typing code. Now the skill is the requirements engineering and prompt engineering and context engineering. Check our videos and other videos on this channel, and you need to talk to the client, figure out exactly what they need, and then translate this into instructions for your AI agent. You also need to learn how to manage the environment. Things like setting up a server or a database. The AI will write the code, but you are the one who makes sure it actually runs for the client. And you, like a director or orchestrator for the managing all this stuff. Okay, my agent finishing work. It integrated the Veo 3 model by Google into my application. Let's see how it is working. But let's finish with it, and we are going to the next point. It's let's say educational content or monetization for this type of activity. And this is the third path is all, and it's all about information arbitrage. People are all helmet now. Every day there is a new AI tools, the frameworks, new updates or new hacks. And most people don't have the time to research all of this, and this is opportunity for you to come in. You can make money by saving other people's time. This could be through a YouTube channel like this, or a newsletter, or selling specialized courses. You use AI to find the most useful information, summarize it, analyze and test it for errors and issues. If you can create a course that teaches someone how to solve a specific problem, let's say how to automate your accounting with AI, or how to build an application with AI, you are selling a result, not just information. And by analyzing common mistakes people make with the AI, providing a clear roadmap, you create a massive value. If you sell such courses or bundles for $100 to 100 people a month, that's exactly 10K that we're talking about. AI will help you to create a curriculum, write the scripts, and even edit the videos. You're the curator and the orchestrator, operator maybe, in this scenario for the AI in your production studio. Okay, now let's see if my application is working. I'll just to try to reset everything. Let's talk to him, test the app. Backend is running, and let's see what he will be doing. Let's go while this it is working to the next point, and let's talk about your services, online services, and your own products. The fourth path is the let's say a holy grail of income. It's software as a service and different digital products. This is about building something once and selling it to 1,000 people and selling it multiple times. Maybe it's a simple app that helps real estate agents write descriptions, or a tool just turns podcasts into blog posts. In the old days, you need a co-founder who was a coding wizard to this, and today your co-founder is just a plain AI agent, Claude Code, or maybe Kilo Code, etc. And the entire phase of the implementation, writing the code, setting up the API, designing the interface, is now just a plain conversation with a voice. And the focus has shifted from how to do this to how to do I sell this. It's more about the marketing, about the requirements and ideas, not the technical deep details. And to make 10K in this scenario per month with a SaaS, you just need 200 customers paying $50 a month. And if your product solves a real painful problem, finding 200 people in a world of 8 billion people, it's very doable. You handle the marketing and the vision, and AI handles the rest with the technical execution. Okay, the agent asks me to test if application is really running. It seems to be. It continue working. If you don't know what is this environment, it's Windsurf AI. It's similar to the Cursor and other applications like this, but it doesn't make sense. We're talking about the types of AI agents a bit later. So let's talk about the tools actually and the costs. How many you need to invest to going further in this direction. Now let's talk about the overhead, and to make a 10K, you have to invest a little bit into your tools, what you are using. In this example, we are using Windsurf, as I'm saying. But what is the good news here? It's incredibly cheap, at least for now. It has a donation models for most popular providers, but for most of you, a simple pro subscription to, let's say, ChatGPT or Claude Code, it's worth just $20 per month, and it's enough to start. Let's test it once again. I don't know what is why it's 403 error, but keep going. If you want to go deeper, there is amazing free option of low-cost agents you can run in your terminal. It likes Kilo Code. It also is CLI version. Quen Code. It's also CLI. Gemini. And you, of course, can use plugins like CLine or Ru Code or Kilo Code for the VS Code. It's a similar fork, just a forks of VS Code, basically, of Microsoft. And if you want a more cheaper option, it's a JLM 4.7 model. It's a Chinese model, and it really reasonable, and it has a high level like Sonnet 4, maybe even closest to the 4.5 by Anthropic. These are a powerful model, and that can often be used for free or at a very low cost per task. And if you're already making money and want to absolute best, you might consider Claude Code. It's more expensive. Sometimes it's cost about $200 a month with increased limits for requests. It depends on how much you use it, but the speed and intelligence it provides, it's like having a senior developer sitting next to you. It's really nice. Opus 4.5 model. Think of this cost not as a bills, but as a salary for your most productive employee. Spending $20 to $200 to make $10,000. It's the best return of investment you will ever find. I think my agent a bit stuck with the security options, but let's skip it for now. It's not really a blocker at this point. And let's just continue to the last chapter of this video. And the final thoughts that the world is changing fast, and the gap between having an idea and making money is shrink every day thanks to AI. And whether you choose to climb to career ladder, freelance, teach someone, or build your own application, the tools are ready for you, and that's the AI agents, and you can explore the different options and set up options in this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and you gave some ideas how to start your own journey. I would love to hear from you how they are helping you earn money right now, and are you using it for work or maybe a side project? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helped me out, and you will not miss my next deep dive into the world of AI. Good luck with your project, and see you in the next video.